Ni ede ache ensemble from enso emu a na no pay na abrante Same Ejemfi ono na National Communication Officer ede Emma Amaiko NDC abrante ba UTV adechensoma dwumadi eso na abrante dwumadi nyina akọ na wieye opie akonom na CID for edidi musi ye akua so ni mu ede omukọ na kache ne nkade chemu se ene dohiri bebre na abrante no ediye ewo apolisifoɔ akache honom no na lawyer ni ni Eduji Samaklo edi atudwa a wo chichimo edi atu edwa a wo chese di tema ne ban se nyina ne se wa abra mpanifo eni no di nkita ho ahodo no na omo de kwadu ahodo bi edi ebo no ko wiase no ena omo chichimo edi tudwa a omo chese abrante no omo de anse odi nipa mienu omo oduro wakwahwe akwafo bia efa ne megina no mfamba na omo decide plan mienu no edi baaye egina so emabe no eba so na yesen trofo eni abrante otukono trofo abedi chire edi Emma Amaiko NDC dinkomo na nchemuni ne.
Our comrade and brother Same Ejemfi was picked up from UTV. We all rushed here because we did not know the reason. We have met with the CID and their lawyers, and they've told us that it is in relation to some cyber crime, allegation against him, which came last year. And as you may be aware, an application was filed in response to that cyber crime, allegation. And so they picked him up, knowing that the application will be heard on 8th of February. So the lawyers and the team are with him. Sami is in good health, he's in good spirit. But what we have to say is that anybody who is a lover of democracy should be worried for this country. We have a tyrannical leader in this country. We are running a country under tyrannic rule, and I think that it's about time that we speak against it.
This very case is been pending before the court. So just imagine that if a case is pending before the court, what right does the police have to arrest him?
The only two are OG free, and as OG free will be someone. Now, I say what Jenny to me, any the freedom of expression. And until your constitution, your man pono, I can declare say Obia was sad to me, or was sad when you say Obe freely to express himself. And then ya wamu ye idea no kranya meaning a idea majority say intimidation and as a party in the we are not intimidated at all.